Hi everyone and welcome to Kim's Creative Corner. My name is Kim and I'm excited to start this channel to be able to share some things that I love with all of you. I absolutely love to organize anything and everything, and it brings me so much joy to be able to make a space more functional. To go along with that, I love decorating a space to also make it feel more welcome and homey. My number one place to get inspiration from is Pinterest, and while I don't always use the ideas I find on there, it's definitely a good kickoff point of being able to just find a starting point of how to decorate or make something more functional and organized. Another thing that I like to do is create fun activities for my girls to do here at home. I have a 7-year-old and a 4-year-old, and I was a preschool teacher for 10 years. And since I've been a stay-at-home mom for the last 3 years, it's always been fun to put ideas that I might have used into the classroom and bring them here at home and use them with my girls. And one thing that we've done the past few years is for Easter, I've done a scavenger hunt where I put clues with each of their gifts and they have to just go around, follow the clues, and figure out where their next one is. They have so much fun with that, and it's so fun to see the joy that it brings on their faces and how excited they get. I think if I skipped a year, they would be really sad. To go along with the fun activities for my girls, this summer we are going to be having a theme here and there kind of throughout the summer, a different theme each week. And to go along with each theme, I'd have something that I can put inside their sensory table while also doing arts activities and maybe some different games, and even putting the workbooks in there because they do really love those. But I think they're really gonna like it, and I think having that theme, they're just gonna get excited to see what's next and what are we learning about for this, and I'm really excited to see how that goes. So to go along with the organizing and decorating and all of our fun activities we're gonna be doing this summer, I also wanted to add a little twist to something else that I might wanna do on my channel. I want to start learning how to use all those big tools that we have in the garage. Anytime that we need to build something or use one of those big tools, it's always my husband that does it. And he always tells me that I could definitely learn how to use them, and then I'd be able to get more projects done on my own. And so I think every now and then I'm gonna throw in a little video where I'm learning how to use the big saw, maybe putting up some tile on the wall, I don't know. So I'm really excited to just kind of throw those out here and there just to go along with all of the organization videos or decorating videos, and definitely a lot of fun summer activities. So be looking for those, and yeah, we'll see what comes of that. So with all that being said, I hope you can join me here at Kim's Creative Corner on YouTube, and also you can follow me on Instagram at Kims_creative_corner. And I hope to just be able to share my inspiration with you to maybe give you a little bit of inspiration too. So thanks for stopping by, and may your day be creatively blessed. Thanks. Bye.